Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $200? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Creality LD002 R LCD Resin 3D Printer Review. It supports the latest printing technology, which includes an LCD display. This printer uses 30W UV for rendering fast print. There is a 2K resolution containing LCD screen, which has a resolution of 2560 by 1440. The printer is compatible with the latest version of Chitabox slicing software. There is a 3.5-inch color touchscreen display for carrying out the print. This printer has the ability to print through UV integrated light, which has a wavelength of 405 nanometers. The printer also has double fans, which have an active carbon air filtration system. It helps to remove the unwanted odor of the resin. This printer allows you to print in large quantities. If you want to print something of a larger quantity, then you can go for the printer. The print volume is 119x 65x 160 mm, which enables you to print larger prints at a time. So you don't need to worry about any big project. Other than that, by having a big space, you can uphold your creativity and make whatever you want. Every printer has the tendency to get dirty. This printer will also get covered with dust if not cleaned properly. But for another printer, the cleaning option is not convenient. But for this printer, the FEP release film is tightened from both sides, so for this special thing, no dust can enter. Also, after the film has been released, it is very easy to remove residues from the resin vat. For having such a resin vat, it is possible to quickly remove the dust. Number 2. JGMAKER Magic 3D Printer Review. Its body is a one-model structure through which you can create DIY quality outputs. Even after finishing the filament, the print process resumes instead of ending at that position. An alarm system is fitted in the machine for giving a sign of warning after run out of the filament. With its memory function facility, you can resume the print even after the SD card is removed in the middle of the process. When it comes to 3D printers, JGMAKER has always been at the top. They are a certified company. They have ISO 900 certification. Now the reason why this company is becoming more popular with everyone is that they are trying to provide this technology, the 3D printing technology, accessible to the general people. They are trying to provide better solutions for businesses, so they are outreaching the 3D printer to the mass. Now coming to the Magic 3D printer, if you want to create your imagination and turn your inspiration into creativity, then the Magic 3D printer is a very handy machine for you. The print volume of this printer is 220 by 220 by 250 mm, and it supports most of the models. This is the perfect tool for creating unique creations, ingenuity, and thriving your imagination to real things. Number 3. ANYCUBIC 3D Printer Review. The UV lamp beads are upgraded by putting the lens of range 450 nanometers wavelength. The user can easily adjust the 3D model by fixing the time range within 1 to 60 minutes. The top of the machine remains covered with transparent glass for protecting from UV rays and the spreading of detergents. The base of the Cure platform can rotate 360 degrees for building a perfect 3D output. For buying a quality product, you must go through the overview part of the article. Please carefully read about the features in detail for your own benefit. ANYCUBIC 3D printer has huge features to talk about. You will see that the production of curing basement rotates 360 degrees. It makes the required design more accurate and all-covering. Time adjustment of this product will always be in your control. You can easily adjust your time schedule to a range of 1 to 60 minutes. It has been tested that after the proper washing and cure of the model, it becomes crystal clear. This improves the material properties. Its total dimension is 8.86 x 8.66 x 14.78, and the size that it holds is 10.5 pounds. So, it is not that heavy for moving or lifting this product. After long usage, the buttons do not work properly. Moreover, the design of the model does not come out like the quality one. The timer in it also starts misfunctioning and changes automatically. Number 4. Monoprice 121666 Mini Delta 3D Printer Review. The Monoprice Delta Pro 3D printer, immediately you unbox it without having to go through the hassle of assembling it. It is a lightweight and compact printer that you can always move around within the house. It does have a sturdy metal frame that is quite surprising for small 3D printers and does come with an all-black finish. Also, it is made using durable materials and a black anodized frame, although its build surface is thin, which makes it prone to ripping off whenever one is trying to remove the printed document. Despite being among the cheapest printers in the market, it is best suited for students since it lacks several controls to master. These best low-cost 3D printers have quality outputs thanks to its 150 mm per second speed print, 50 micron resolution layer, and LCD screen. One can use a wide variety of materials as the print bed, while its print nozzle is capable of withstanding temperatures from 180 to 260 degrees Celsius. It does support USB, Wi-Fi, and micro SD card connection. Number 5. Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer Review. For decades, Monoprice has been a leading company when it comes to generic electronics selling at a lower price. It features a set that makes it possible for its owners to do a lot with it. It happens when it is ready to use, and even novice people can quickly start using it. It does have a touchscreen panel that comprises simple controls and an intuitive menu. The owners of this printer can utilize the group to a level printing bed, initiate the creation, and choose the printing parts. It is made of sturdy, durable, and fully functional all-metal hot ends. Its brake design does result in heat dissipation. It has a magnetic build plate, and it is straightforward to remove, hence, the prints are fast and straightforward. This best cheap 3D printer under $200 comes with a live Z adjustment system, which is quick for auto bed leveling. It is made up of an inductive sensor and a resistant aluminum body. Its connectivity options include a micro USB port, micro SD, and Wi-Fi. With a printing speed of up to 100 mm per second, this printer has a resolution of 100 to 300 microns.